Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today's video features a 5-channel amplifier made by Rockford Fosgate in the year 2000. It's a Power 600.5. The amp has already been repaired by someone else. You can see it here on the transistors. The amplifier is rated 50 watts per channel into a 4 ohm load, and the sub channel is rated 100 watts into 4 ohms and 100 watts per channel into 2 ohms and 200 watts into 2 ohms for the subwoofer channel. This video is another subscriber supported production. Thanks to Uli, I am able to dyno the Power 600.5. Here are the RCA inputs for fronts, rear and subwoofer. There's an adjustable low pass filter from 50 to 210 Hz for the subwoofer channel and the sub gain knob. It also features an input mode selector switch and a jack for the remote punch base. You can select filter modes for fronts and rear channels. Low pass full frequency spectrum and high pass filter, also adjustable from 50 to 210 Hz. There's a punch base knob for fronts and rears, and of course the gain knobs. Here on the other side you have big power terminals and the remote connector. All speaker connections can be done with Phillips head screws. Now it's time to get this amp dynoed. I start with a continuous power test with 1 kHz and I have all 4 channels loaded. So I'm going to test the subwoofer channels separately because I ran out of test resistors. Continuous power test 1 kHz into a 4 ohm load per channel. Clipping, I go back. So I got a peak voltage of around, I would say, let's calculate with 54 volts. The amplifier delivers 93.5 watts into a 4 ohm load. Let's have a look at the amplifier's efficiency. Here you see the idle current, and now I give full power. 4 channels loaded into a 4 ohm load. So the amplifier pulls 44.2 amps. If I load 4 channels, the amplifier has an efficiency of 58.4%. Now I'm testing continuous power test into a 2 ohm load per channel, 4 channels driven, 1 kHz. Clipping. That's okay. Take a lower value. I would say let's calculate with 48.4 volts. The amplifier delivers around 150 watts of continuous power into a 2 ohm load per channel, 4 channels driven. Let's have a look at the efficiency. 4 channels driven. Here's the idle current and now I give full input signal 2 ohms per channel, 4 channels driven. And the amplifier pulls 75.9.8 amps. I calculated an efficiency of 54.7% when I load 4 channels and test it into a 2 ohm load. And now I'm testing the subwoofer channel of the Power 600.5. It's rated 100 watts and I'm using a 20 Hz input signal. Continuous power test into a 4 ohm load, the subwoofer channel. It's okay, and I have a peak voltage of 42.4 volts. The subwoofer channel delivers 230.5 watts into a 4 ohm load, but this value will get lower if I load the amplifier with all 5 channels. Now I connected a 2 ohm load to the subwoofer channel and I'm going to test continuous power with a 20 Hz input signal. Slightly clipped, so I take a lower value. It says 40 volts. This position 39.6 volts. The amplifier's subwoofer channel delivers 392 watts into a 2 ohm load. In case you miss the dynamic headroom tests, the burst signal test with 1 kHz, so the amplifier doesn't deliver lots of dynamic headroom, so I just show you 2 ohms per channel for channels driven with 1 kHz 20 cycles. So we had 150 watts of continuous power. Now I catch the burst. The last cycle is free of clipping, that's important. I give a little more signal, that's dirty. So I go back. Try to get some more, but that gets dirty. So let's take this one. And I would say let's calculate with, we can calculate with 52 volts. The amplifier delivers 173.3 watts of dynamic power into a 2-ohm load, 4 channels driven. That's not much dynamic headroom, just a little bit more. So let's save some time to keep the video short. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.